In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a fog light bezel on your Subaru Outback. This will be located on the front bumper. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, remove the 3 clips. There's going to be 2 more clips on the inside. Using a Phillips head, slightly unscrew them to unlock them, and then pull the clip out. You may need to hold this outside collar while you spin the middle. Pull the splash shield down. We're going to go around and push on all of the tabs around the bezel. Push up and out as you do this. Once you have a few of the tabs pushed, you'll find that the fog light bezel pops out. We're going to grab it in the front. As we grab it in the front, we're going to pull as we keep going around in the back, popping all of our tabs, then removing the fog light bezel. Install the fog light bezel, line up all of the tabs, snap it into place, pull the splash shield up into place, tuck the tabs into the front bumper. Install the 2 clips into the side of the splash shield.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.